Naija Senate don pass the remaining two tax reform bills wey President Bola Ahmed Tinubu submit for October 2024. And with dis, dem don complete approval of 4 important bills wey dem say go change Naija tax system. Dis two bills wey dem pass on Thursday na Nigerian Tax Administration Bill 2025 and Nigerian Tax Bill 2025. Before dis one, Senate bin don already pass Nigerian Revenue Service Establishment Bill 2025 and Joint Revenue Board Establishment Bill 2025 on Wednesday. All these bills together na to cancel the old tax laws, join all taxation laws under one umbrella, create new tax bodies like Joint Revenue Board, Tax Appeal Tribunal, and Office of Tax Ombud, plus improve tax assessment, collection, and accountability for federal, state, and local governments. Senate Committee on Finance, wey Senator Sani Musa be chairmo, present report on top the bills after plenty consultation and correct review to clear any argument, especially wahala around value-added tax (VAT). Senate reject proposal to increase VAT to 10% and leave am for 7.5%. After dem pass these bills, Senate President Godswill Akpabio hail the lawmakers for their efforts and still beg make dem continue to observe for any improvements.
Consolidate the legal framework relating to taxation and enact the Nigeria Tax Bill to provide for taxation of income, transactions and instruments, and for related matters 2025 third reading taken. Distinguished colleagues, a bill for an act to repeal certain acts on taxation and consolidate the legal frameworks relating to taxation and enact the Nigeria Tax Bill to provide for taxation of income, transactions and instruments, and for related matters 2025 third reading taken and passed. And at the end, let us leave behind these 4 bills for Mr. President to sign, which will not only bring peace to Nigeria, will bring more money to Nigeria and development, and then leave the bills as legacies for future generations.
Senate con set up one committee under Senator Yahaya Abdullahi to blend the bills with existing laws. Dem say this reform wey dem do go help strengthen Naija tax institution, boost compliance, and make tax collection better nationwide, as e go benefit all Naija people. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.